Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and we're looking at the rendering of the Robovan. And my question is the Robovan going to be built at Giga Semi? And the reason is because, once again, I can't stop thinking that the entrance to this new factory looks like the Robovan much more than the Tesla Semi. What do you think? Are there reasons that Tesla could be planning on building the Robovan here? There's the outline of the Tesla Semi. And this is the gray area that is on the factory, and it does look like it has the outline of the Semi on one side, and then a long stylized trailer. And at the end, all I can think of is that there are the way the end jogs at 90-degree angles could represent a large trailer, a smaller trailer, and a flatbed, all three being towed by the Tesla Semi at the other end. And you do have to use a little imagination. But some of the reasons why the Tesla Semi and the Robovan could be co-located is, one, both vehicles are larger than the other Tesla products and could share common parts and processes. And all they would have to do is change the die on the stamping machine and spend a day or two creating Robovan bodies. And by the way, the Tesla Semi is a stamped steel body. The only fiberglass is the fairing, which is held on by like 12 bolts. The Robovan seems best suited for high-density urban areas and therefore requires smaller production volumes. So what do you think? Do you think that the Robovan is the something else that Tesla referred to when talking about this factory? Look forward to hearing your thoughts and speculation. Thank you.